What's going on today? Hope everybody is doing a-okay out here in this wildy world. Well, anyway, I want to try some egusi soup and fufu. And as you can see, I made it. I just want to do a little mukbang. I've never ate egusi and fufu. This will be my first time making it. First time trying. I hope nobody gets offended. I love exotic foods. So here we go.
Let's try this again.
It's delicious. A little spicy, but it's delicious. All my dogs are hanging around me and they want my fufu. Y'all can't have any. You can't have none. It's spicy. Y'all can't have any of this. Okay? If I could, I'd give it to you, but I can't. Sorry, babies. I seen where you can use chicken, beef, lamb, tripe. I went with lamb. I'll try it again with chicken and the beef. See which one I like best, but so far I like the lamb.
Close your eyes. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay?
Only thing wasn't added that was supposed to be added, I think, was like the cassava leaves that be in it. I could not find that anywhere. So I used regular collard greens. And it's delicious. I did tomatoes, onions, the palm oil, the spicy seasoning, I don't know the name of it, boil cubes, and the lamb, and then the egusi. First time, I think I put it pretty good. I did well good. I'm kind of amazed with myself that I did it this well. I heard you ain't supposed to chew it, but it's kind of hard not to chew it when you got chunks of tomato and then your chunks of beef and onions and stuff like that, and I can't just swallow that stuff whole. Can't tell you what I'm drinking. I just turned the bottle where you can't see the lid. You can't have that either, girl. What you trying to do? You can be like that dog off of TikTok running around taking your mommy bottles out the bottle cabinet trying to drink them. I'm telling you, it's got a little kick to it. It really do. But it's like you can't stop eating it. Like, it's just that good. And the fufu is so similar to like mashed potatoes. It's just a little bit different.
Right there. Wise decision.
I'm about to enjoy my meal. I just want to do a little short video of it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Turn them post notifications on, so when I do post, you'll get notified every time I post a video. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Y'all ain't studying nobody. Y'all just want my food.